Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Snapchat friends list or just want to remove someone for any reason, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to remove a friend on Snapchat as of 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll land on the familiar camera screen. Look to the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can manage your account and see your friends list. Next, scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled My Friends. Tap on it. Here, you'll find your entire friends list organized alphabetically. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the friend you want to remove. Once you've located the person, press and hold down on their name. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for the three dots at the top of the screen and tap on them. From the drop-down, select Manage Friendship. This brings up more options related to your connection with this friend. Now tap on Remove Friend. Snapchat will ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure you really want to remove them. Tap Remove again to finalize your decision, and that's it. The person will be removed from your friends list, and they won't be notified that you've removed them. Keep in mind, once you remove someone, they'll no longer see your private stories or charms, and they won't be able to send you snaps or chats unless your privacy settings allow it. If you ever change your mind, you can always search for their username and send a new friend request. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips to make the most of your Snapchat experience.